To send a gift, simply visit the Buy Gifts page found on the left-hand navigation menu. Whether you're sending to a single recipient or to multiple, begin by selecting the type of gift you want to send and a merchant from one of Guusto's partner merchants. Select the number of gifts you plan to send and the dollar amount of each gift. Next, you may personalize your gifts by changing your sender name, adding the reason the gifts are being sent, adding custom messages, or, if you'd like, an image. After hitting Next, choose your desired delivery method. Here you have the option to have your gift codes delivered by email or text for automatic delivery, print or export to have your gift codes ready to be distributed physically or exported via Excel files for further use, or if you have a recipient who does not have access to the Guusto platform, you can also select Print Gift Codes as your delivery method. With that done, you can now begin to input your recipient's delivery information and edit or update any of the information you have previously entered. Begin by inputting your recipient's name and email or phone number. Here you will also be able to specify when the gift is to be delivered, whether or not the recipient's manager is notified, and you can also add an internal note only visible in the Team Gift Reports page. On this page, you may also add additional gifts that you intend to send. It's important to note that Guusto also allows for bulk gift sending. To make use of this feature, simply download the bulk gift Excel template, enter the required information, and upload it back onto our platform. Hitting Next Step will bring you to the payment stage. Here you can review your total, review the account that is funding the purchase, and finally, send your gift. Mucho gusto.